Have you noticed that your hair has been falling out lately? Well, don't be alarmed. Yes, hair loss can be devastating, and depending on the severity, it can affect your self-esteem and self-confidence. But all hope is not lost. In today's video, I'll provide you with a few tips to help you stop hair loss, while at the same time promoting your natural hair growth. So without further ado, let's get to it. The first thing you need to do is to ensure that you are not currently doing anything that could be worsening your hair loss problem. For example, you want to make sure that you are not using any chemical-based products in your hair. You also don't want to be using styling irons or any heat-based products in your hair. And you want to make sure that you are getting enough vitamins and minerals, and if you must, use a supplement like biotin or vitamin E. Either way, at any time during this video, you can check out the links in the description below this video for the best natural products to use in your hair. Now, with those tips out of the way, here is a simple yet highly effective hair growth remedy to try that have been proven to give positive results. This remedy only involves two main ingredients. They are garlic cloves and extra virgin olive oil. Raw garlic is known to be rich in vitamin C content that is great for promoting hair health. It also boosts collagen production that helps to stimulate hair growth. Olive oil, on the other hand, contains antioxidants and antimicrobial agents that might contribute to healthy hair by strengthening your hair follicles and increasing the lifespan of each hair. Here's how the remedy works. Peel about 6 garlic cloves and chop them into small pieces. Place them in a pan with about half a cup of olive oil and warm them, but do not let them come to the boil. When the mixture is warm enough, remove the pan from the stove and let it cool. Pour the mixture in an airtight container and store it in your refrigerator for at least 24 hours before using it. When using, simply apply the liquid to your hair from the tips to the scalp. Leave it in for about 2 hours and then wash your hair with lukewarm water and a mild shampoo. This natural hair growth remedy can last up to 6 weeks in your fridge. And that's it. This remedy should be used at least twice per week for best results. That said, if you want to regrow your hair much faster, make sure you check out the link in the description below for our #1 recommended hair growth solution. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more tips and solutions to help you get your best hair.